In the diagram, how many of the shapes are triangles? So this is a simple counting question. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them are triangles. The integers that must replace the square so that square minus 3 is 5 is, so we have square minus 3 is 5, so square would be 5 plus 3, and that is 8. So therefore, that would be B. Which of the following numbers is the farthest away from 0 on the number line? Okay, well, here's 0. Let's see here. Minus 10 will be way out of here. Minus 8 will be here. 3 is here. 8 is here. And 9 is there. So the number that's farthest from 0, I believe, is this guy, minus 10, since it's a full 10 units away. So that would be A. The graph shows the amount of money that each of the 5 students donated to charity. The total amount of money they donated was, so I guess we have to add it. So 12 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 2. And when you add all that up, it's 38. So that would be D. Which digit is in the thousands place of the number 12635? So this 5 is the ones digit, the 3 is the tens digit, the 6 is the hundreds digit, and the 2 is the thousands digit. So that would be choice B. In the diagram, PQR is a straight line, the value of x is. So all the way across is 180. So that would mean x plus 40 is 180. And if you do this algebra, it would be 180 minus 40 would be the value for x. And that is 140. And therefore that would be B. If a square's side length is a whole number measured in centimeters, which of the following could be the perimeter of the square? So we have a square, let's say x is the side length. So the perimeter would be 4x. So the perimeter basically is a multiple of 4. And of these numbers, the only one that's a multiple of 4 is 32, which is choice E. Mauricio goes for a walk every day for 5 consecutive days. On the first day, he walks 11 minutes. Each day after the first, he walks 3 minutes longer than he walked the day before. In minutes, what is the total time that he walks over 5 days? Okay, so the first day is 11, then 3 minutes more, so 14. Next day is 3 minutes more. Next day, 3 minutes more, and another 3 minutes. And then they want you to add these numbers up, and when you do, you get 85, which is choice A. In the diagram to the right, the shape is created from 5 squares. The shape is reflected in the horizontal line below it. The orientation of the shape as a result of the reflection is. Okay. Well, let's see what I can do here. I'm going to try to make this shape as a reflection. And I'm pretty confident that's the reflection. So let's see which one is that in the answer choices. I believe that is D. In the sequence 43, 41, 39, and so on, the first term is 43. Each term after the first is 2 less than the term before it, and the last term is 1. How many terms are in the sequence? Okay, well, you can count them, or you can just say, well, it's 43 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 44 over 2, which is 22, and that would be choice D.